So here we are in the lab testing our PVG. So this is being put there, just like this. And then we have a plug to control it, like that. This is a laboratory setup. Nice, huh? Cool. This is my laptop. And then the pumps. More test benches, more computers and stuff. Okay, back to the test. So this is what we do. Let's run this test. This is a cool program I made. Very nice program. I press next, and then start. Should be right. Yep. I get in some values. Nice. And it's all because this stuff there is running it. So the test is running. Some overshoots there. Back to the stats. Get down. And then I can read the temperature, I can read the pressure. Nice. Boom. If you want to see how the program looks like, this is how the program looks like. Come on. There we go.